There's a lot of misinformation floating around about a so-called mass exodus tied to the recent administration changes, but the data tells a different story. It's Friday, February 21st, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Every administration transition brings some movement in the real estate market, but the latest MLS data shows no significant spike in listing activity linked to the federal workforce changes. In fact, new listings in the first 2 weeks of February remain nearly identical to last year across the DC metro and mid-Atlantic region. So don't fall for the hype, don't fall for the hype, don't fall for the hype. Get the facts. The real truth, based on actual data, shows the overall market is actually down 1% from last year this same time. New inventory to the market fell to 1,410. Inventory coming soon rose just slightly this report to 1,210. 1,377 homes went under contract this past week in 15 days. 758 homes sold this report in 20 days, and sellers pocketed 100% list to sold ratio as their net. Rentals rose this report to 2,709 at $2,400 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, February 21st, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe and warm. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.